This is Group 1's project on the Indian Ocean earthquake of 2004. It started as an earthquake that occurred on December 26, 2004 off of the northwest coast of Sumatra Island in Indonesia at 7:58 a.m. in the morning. It ranked as a 9.1 earthquake on the Richter scale. Around 30 minutes later, tsunami waves hit the Banda Aceh coast, and around 1.5 hours later, it hit southern Thailand. 30 minutes after hitting Thailand, it made its way into Sri Lankan coastlines and the eastern coasts of India, and after many hours reached the east coast of Africa. The reason this tragedy occurred is because there is a subduction zone that exists between the Indian plate and the Burma plate. There are convergent plates which had tectonic stress built up along this subduction zone, and that's why the earthquake occurred.
The Indian Ocean earthquake of 2004 caused one of the worst tsunamis in human history, with over 225,000 people dead and 1.8 million people displaced from their homes across countries like India, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and etc. Information on relief efforts have mixed reports, but the Sri Lankan government and the Tamil Tigers have been coordinating together, by most accounts successfully, but competition and jockeying for influence has also been reported, and tensions are expected to arise over control of reconstruction funds. The Tamil Tigers have accused the government of using the disaster as a pretext for sending government troops into Tamil-controlled areas, while the government has charged the Tamil Tigers with using the tsunami to recruit new members and reinforce its political and military strength.
The Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami of 2004 caused severe destruction to several countries including Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, and others. The disaster raised awareness among many countries about the importance of hazard mitigation and the vulnerability of coastal regions to natural disasters like these. It also had impacts on the marine and terrestrial life. Coral reefs were damaged or destroyed, and coastal ecosystems were disrupted as the waves carried debris and sediments into the ocean. The tsunami swept away vegetation and severely impacted the habitats of wildlife.
With seawater invading the land, salination affected soil fertility, increased vulnerability to erosion, and impacted climate change and food insecurity. The tsunami carried vast amounts of sediment from the seafloor onto land, altering the landscape and affecting soil quality in some areas. The earth systems involved were the geosphere as its tectonic plates moved along the boundary of the Indian plate and the Eurasian plate, the hydrosphere with the displacement of vast volumes of water in the Indian Ocean, and the biosphere as the disaster affected both marine and terrestrial ecosystems, causing damage to coral reefs, mangroves, and coastal habitats.
Some of the interesting facts about the Indian Ocean 2004 earthquake were the Indira Point, previously recognized as the southernmost point of India, got completely submerged. Total material loss is estimated at $10 million.